Headphones off, please. What are you listening to, bro?
Oh, bro, this music's not for your generation, bro. It's just for the older people.
No, I want to hear. Trust me, I love music. I might like it.
Okay.
Oh, shit. Chill out, man.
Calm down. What's wrong with you, bro? Calm down.
Oh, no. What artist is that? What artist is that?
Don't worry, bro. Don't worry who that is.
Are you going to sit down or am I going to have to get SLT in here to move you?
No SLT, miss. I'm sitting down. Where's my bag? There's my bag. I'm sitting. I don't want to... No SLT, please.
Look, miss, I'm sat down. No SLT. Shit, where's my phone? So you're continuing to play music after I've just told you? SLT!
No, it's not me. It's my phone. It just started playing. Where's my phone?
Yes, Miss Saunders, could you come in here and move this guy out, please?
No.
SLT, I'm SLT, don't mess with me.
Stop.
Don't mess with me.
Stop.